Each year, a student, teacher, organization, and public advocate are chosen based on their outstanding contributions to advancing life sciences education. And we are so excited about this year's impressive awardees, and I am thrilled that you will have a chance to meet them. The Tamir Foundation was created in honor of former Genzyme CEO Henry Tamir, who was dedicated to mentoring emerging scientists and pioneering groundbreaking treatments for patients of rare diseases. The Henry Tamir Student Scholarship, established in 2020, recognizes an exceptional student who has both an outstanding academic record and has demonstrated commitment beyond the classroom. The scholarship is awarded to a student who aspires to advance their STEM education and pursue a professional role in the life sciences. Thank you so much to the Tamir Foundation for continuing to support the emerging leaders of biotechnology education.
My name is Mary Lindsay, and I am a bioteach instructor. I would like to thank this year's selection committee for their work and efforts. After a difficult and thoughtful review, I am pleased to introduce MassBioEd Student Champion and the 2024 Henry A. Tamir Student Award recipient, Gianni Johnson. Gianni is a sophomore at Harvard University pursuing a degree in bioengineering. While achieving high academic success in her first year, Gianni has gracefully managed to balance 3 jobs while prioritizing her commitment to volunteering with her local Science Club for Girls chapter. Gianni does not fall short of leadership skills in science. Gianni serves as president of her student-run biology research organization, International Genetically Engineered Machine, or IGEM for short, and Harvard Science Club, a female-empowered organization. She has shown a passion for education, a commitment to a career in the life sciences, and a dedication to fostering the interest and encouragement of other girls and young women in STEM. We are so proud to present the Henry A. Tamir Student Award to Gianni Johnson. Congratulations, Gianni.
Hi, my name is Gianni Johnson. I'm currently a junior at Harvard College studying bioengineering. The focus of my degree is in chemical material design, and I also do a lot with drug design and therapeutics design as well. So I think as a child, it was really fun for me. I loved getting to explore and experiment, and it was really an opportunity for me to be creative and think in a way that I didn't get to in a lot of my other courses. It encouraged me to solve problems and to collaborate with others, and I absolutely love that. In terms of my major, I really wanted to contribute to the field of science in a way that I thought would help people. So for me, when I thought of bioengineering and biomedical engineering, it seemed like an opportunity to touch a lot of different lives and impact different people by helping doctors treat their patients better through biological development. When I think back on my own scientific journey, I definitely remember the science teachers that I had and the people that came into class, like the people at MassBioEd who come in and teach these kids hands-on real-world science skills. And I think it is really important because it shows them that just because it might not be what they do every day in class, it's something that is out there and is available to them. As a Black woman in STEM, there are definitely certain unique challenges that we had to face. For me personally, I felt that a lot of people were pushing me towards more feminine fields like nursing or more teaching. But for me, I really did want to be an engineer, and I really wanted to be in lab doing that hands-on work. So I did have to kind of push myself and tell myself that just because it wasn't what people thought of or expected of me, that didn't mean that it wasn't something that I could do. And especially when I work with a lot of young kids, many of whom come from underrepresented communities, it's really important to me that they see me as sort of a role model, and I inspire them and I tell them that they can do what I can do and kind of serve as somebody that they can look up to. I think right now I want to go into biotechnology after college, specifically working with therapeutics and nanotechnology, working to make medicine less invasive and more effective at a small scale. That's something that I'm really excited about and hope I can contribute to.
The Joshua Boger Innovative Educator Champion Award is supported by Josh Boger, founder of Vertex Pharmaceuticals and a recognized leader in science education. The award is given to a Massachusetts educator who has fostered excitement in their students through innovative biotechnology education in their classrooms. Through creative lessons and mentorship, the Boger Educator Champion motivates students to be curious, thrive, and aspire to be future scientists. The award is given to a teacher to support their professional development and the needs of their school. Thank you so much to Josh Boger for his continued commitment to science education.
Good evening, everyone. For the past 11 years, I've been a bioteach instructor. In that role, I've had the opportunity to visit hundreds of classrooms and work with a similar number of teachers. Tonight, I have the privilege of introducing one of those teachers, Anna DeCenso from Revere High School. She is the 2024 Josh Boger Innovative Educator Champion. I cannot imagine a more deserving teacher. I've worked with Anna for several years, and I always look forward to visits to her classroom. She is dedicated to her students, and watching her interactions with them has been a pleasure. Anna creates an incredible learning environment where all of her students are eager to explore biology. She always goes above and beyond to bring exciting and engaging activities and labs to her students. She has introduced the students to new biotechnology equipment and authentic biotechnology labs. Anna has been a force of change within her department, encouraging other teachers to use the new equipment and to do more investigative labs. Words fail me as I try to convey what an amazing person and teacher Anna is. Teachers like Anna are the future of science education. I applaud her efforts to make a difference in the life of her students while giving them an opportunity to learn and experience what a career in life sciences might entail.
I'm deeply humbled, honored, and grateful to accept the 2024 Joshua Boger Innovative Educator Champion Award. I was first introduced to MassBioEd during my 5th year of teaching at Revere High School. Since then, I have had the pleasure of MassBioEd instructors teaching my biology and forensics students how to conduct authentic scientific labs using various equipment like micropipettes, incubators, and gel electrophoresis. Having only used these pieces of equipment a few times in college, I was nervous at first to implement these in the classroom with my students. Through the expertise and guidance of the MassBioEd instructors, I now look forward to conducting these labs with my students. I will forever be grateful for the inspiration and guidance they have given me. MassBioEd has given my students and me exceptional opportunities to engage with a number of authentic labs using equipment our school would not have had access to otherwise. Furthermore, throughout these past years, I have valued the connections I made with the MassBioEd staff, whom I work closely with to run the labs, ask questions about the labs and equipment used, and exchange ideas about other ways in which the equipment can be used in the classroom. The guidance I have received from MassBioEd has truly made me the science teacher I am today and has inspired my students to see themselves as scientists. I'm appreciative of the ways this grant will allow me to take graduate classes to further my science teaching practices. I look forward to the ways this grant will allow me to bring new and exciting laboratory opportunities to my students. It will be exciting to share the new labs and materials with my colleagues. Thank you immensely for this recognition.
In order to support innovative schools and teachers, as well as help new and diverse talent access life sciences careers, MassBioEd relies on partnerships with employers and organizations committed to education. Sometimes a company stands out for going the extra mile in supporting education and workforce development. Champion organizations are partners that go above and beyond in their commitment to fostering STEM education and building better communities. Collegium Pharmaceuticals, our 2024 champion organization, is such a company. Dedication to expanding access to STEM education and supporting the next generation of STEM leaders is at the heart of their corporate community philosophy. There are many reasons that Collegium Pharmaceuticals is MassBioEd's 2024 champion organization. First, Collegium contributes over $500,000 annually to support organizations leading the way in providing equitable access to STEM education and working to meet basic living needs of their neighbors. Second, their commitment to education is evident in their recently launched Collegium Pharmaceutical Scholarship Program, which gives 2 renewable full-ride scholarships to Massachusetts high school seniors who plan on majoring in a STEM field. Third, they sustain a volunteer partnership with the Brockton Public Schools and are working with our own BioTeach Access program to build a volunteer network in the Stoughton schools. And fourth, since 2020, Collegium has been a proud partner and supporter of MassBioEd's events and programs. Their time, dedication, commitment, and support make Collegium a true champion.
Hello, my name is Marissa Samuels, and I am the Vice President of Corporate Communications at Collegium Pharmaceutical. Collegium is honored to be receiving the 2024 MassBioEd Champions Organization Award. At Collegium, when we think about impact, we are focused on healthier people and stronger communities. We believe that to be able to make meaningful and sustained impact, each one of us must contribute, which is why we are proud to foster a genuine culture of service and philanthropy dedicated to enriching our communities and learning from one another. We honor our strong belief in the value of education by partnering with and giving to organizations that are driving equitable access to STEM education in underserved communities. We are deeply appreciative of the significant commitment MassBioEd has to STEM education and creating the next generation of life science leaders through programs such as BioTeach. We look forward to a continued partnership. Thank you again for the honor and recognition. We are proud to be partners of MassBioEd, who we believe contributes greatly to healthier people and stronger communities.
We are excited to work with these great teachers, students, and industry partners every day. In addition, we are truly fortunate to have leaders in government fighting for life sciences education and workforce development. MassBioEd is so thrilled to give the 2024 Champion Public Advocate Award to Secretary Lauren Jones, Massachusetts Secretary of Labor and Workforce Development. Secretary Jones has a long and passionate commitment to giving workers the support they need to succeed. For nearly 20 years, she has worked in local and state government, nonprofits, and the private sector, focusing on building stronger futures for employers, job seekers, and workers. In her role leading the Massachusetts Executive Office of Labor and Workforce Development, Secretary Jones has been committed to retaining and strengthening Massachusetts' lead as the epicenter for life sciences research and innovation. Secretary Jones has an outlook on growth and change for the long term. She works tirelessly to create new opportunities to train the next generation. She has championed expanding apprenticeships to industries such as the life sciences, healthcare, advanced manufacturing, and education. In addition, nearly $4 million was included in last year's state budget to ensure that quality apprenticeship training was available to our communities. All of these efforts give opportunities to many underserved residents who have historically had limited access to careers in this industry. In addition, Secretary Jones worked to make funding from the state's Workforce Competitiveness Trust Fund accessible and impactful, broadening its focus to training in the life sciences and allowing funds to support stipends for participants during training, breaking down one more barrier for low-income individuals. Secretary Jones has been a tireless advocate, opening the doors to train the next generation of workers through apprenticeships, community colleges, and technical schools. For her efforts, commitment and passion, Secretary Lauren Jones is truly a public advocate champion.
Hi, I'm Lauren Jones, Secretary of Labor and Workforce Development for the Healy-Driscoll Administration. MassBioEd, it is an incredible honor to receive the Champion Public Advocate Award. Thank you so much for the partnership with you, partnering employers, and community organizations as we come together to advance Massachusetts' workforce. I stand here as one representative of a much larger team, Team Massachusetts, all working toward the same goal, ensuring that Massachusetts extends its lead as the global hub of life sciences. As Secretary, I have the privilege of partnering with you to elevate the workforce for the life sciences across the Commonwealth. From groundbreaking biotech research to cutting-edge pharmaceutical advancements, Massachusetts is at the forefront of unlocking scientific discovery and delivering life-saving solutions. And the true foundation of this industry is our people, the talented, passionate workers who contribute greatly to the industry's innovation, and also the untapped talent we collectively support, eager to access opportunities to contribute to the life sciences industry. Massachusetts is home to a world-class workforce with leading universities and research institutions preparing the next generation of our workforce. But we know there is incredible untapped talent right here in our communities, in our neighborhoods, with the aptitude and drive to succeed. Through the Healy-Driscoll Administration, the Executive Office of Labor and Workforce Development is committed to working with organizations like MassBioEd to deliver greater access and opportunity for this talent through meaningful career pathways like registered apprenticeship, opening doors for future lab technicians, clinical trial associates, and more. This shared effort strengthens our workforce and the amazing work of this industry right here in Massachusetts. Once again, thank you for this incredible recognition. I join Governor Healy, Lieutenant Governor Driscoll, and so many of our partners who believe in advancing our workforce by investing in a more diverse, inclusive, and equitable workforce. Together, we're making a difference that will shape the industry and our future for generations right here in Massachusetts.